presents our product data cabinet, for which we are running a public beta. And please send us your logins and email, and we can send you access codes. So let me go through some features of data cabinet. So data cabinet is an online platform to run Jupyter notebooks and corresponding Conda environments in very isolated ways, with other useful features like a NFS file system, which and a Unix authentication mechanism, which makes it very easy to share things with your teammates and run multiple in Jupyter extensions like NB Grader and NB Present. So let me go through some features. So first, you'll just log into our system after registering an account, and this is how it looks. This is how it looks like. And so the way you would create a project is you would go here and add a new project and choose a Python version and give it a name. And once you click OK, it will provision a Conda environment for you on and also a Jupyter notebook on the Conda environment, and where you can install all dependencies related to this project right in the directory of this project. So it's very isolated to this project directory. And so once we click it, it takes like 5 minutes to create the Conda environment and all the projects. But we have already created one. So this is how it looks like. You can run a Jupyter notebook, and you can change the kernel to the kernel of this project. And then if you run, for example, a print hello world, then it will, and run it, then it will run a hello world. We also support R notebooks, so you can go here and run a R notebook. And if you do, for example, plot 1 to 100, it will just run the notebook, run the plotting for you. And this just remains on the cloud. You can access it anytime from anywhere. And you can also install dependencies using our system right into your cloud folder. So let me show you how you can do that. So you can go here and, for example, you can do conda install Keras. And Keras should be should be present in conda, otherwise we'll look, yeah. So if you just install it, will install everything, and it will always be there in your hard drive, and you don't have to carry it around in your local machine. You can just keep it on the cloud. And so other than that, this also provides you shared Unix authentication and sharing mechanism. So there has been a user created for you, a Unix user created for you, which makes it very simple to share with other people. So if you give permission, and there is a shared folder. So if you go here to mount NFS, this folder is visible. Everyone's folder is visible to everyone. But if you choose to put things here and give someone permission, so for example, in this directory, I have given permissions to everyone for this directory. So anyone can actually access this directory. And this is useful in things like sharing assignment or sharing a file which easily. So let me show you some extensions that are very useful, that can be run on our platform very easily. So one of them is NB Grader, and it's a grading assignment. So instructor and students can build accounts on Data Cabinet, and then the instructor can actually have, for example, manage assignments from here. And the way it works is they can write assignments in Python and then release the assignment. When it gets released, all the code gets stripped down, and the code that, so for example, here, if so the code that the student needs to write needs to be, for example, will be here. So the student needs to write all this code in order to get graded. And also, let me show you here. Like, this is a student account, so the student account can just directly do a fetch on the assignments. So if there is a released assignment, they can do a fetch. So I've already fetched it, but let me do it again. So NBGrader is also a dependency that is installed on the same machine. And NBGrader fetch chapter 0, and he gets the assignment, and then I already have a copy, but then you can do a NBGrader submit, which will submit the assignment, and then the instructor gets it from the other web page, and they can grade it and send it to your login or something that is or your email. So there are other extensions also. So you can, for example, here, if you see the, so let me show you here. So this, for example, is also slides. So if you, for example, go to view cell toolbar slideshow, then this can also be used as a slide. I somehow don't see the slide icon here, but this can be used in a slide format. You have to just put it as a slide, and you can write complex mathematical notations, and you can have code here which runs on the slide. So it's very useful. You can just keep it on our system, and then you can access it from anywhere. So thank you. And again, we are running a public beta, and if you're interested in trying out, just let us know or write to us at info@datacabinet.systems, or you can go to datacabinet.info, and you can sign up here, and we will send you an access code, and we would love to hear your feedback. Thank you.